My name is Christian Gill, chef and spiceologist with Spiceology.
What's up, everyone? My name's Tony Reed, and I'm the director of Culinary at Spiceology. Spiceology's Maple Bourbon.
You had me at bourbon.
Spiceology is known for its innovative barbecue rubs.
That's right, Tony. None of that big boy Roy butt rub jokes here.
Anyway, we developed Maple Bourbon with over-the-fire cooking expert Derek Wolf. This man has put in tens of thousands of hours studying different grilling techniques from all over the world and sharing what he's learned with his millions of social media fans.
This blend has some of my favorite flavors on this planet packed into this tub. Bourbon and bourbon. And some other Did I mention I'm a stave and thief bourbon steward? Whiskey, bourbon, water of Kentucky.
He tells everyone.
I don't. I do.
Maple sugar granules provide the perfect amount of sweet and caramelization, but more on that later. Bourbon extracts add caramel notes, mesquite and paprika add smokiness, chili pepper for a little bit of heat, and garlic because, once again, garlic.
And while we originally created maple bourbon for that barbecue, this blend definitely goes beyond the grill.
This blend works in almost any culinary technique, but a word of warning, if you're going to fry, first fry your ingredients and then toss with maple bourbon to finish.
This blend is my super brunch go-to. When mixed into quick breads like biscuits, fragrant maple powder harmonizes with the essence of bourbon. Pleasant rolling heat captures the perfect combo of sweet and spicy.
Maple bourbon.
Sweet, smoky, bourbon.
Period.
Bourbon.
Period.
Whiskey.